welcome back to another video. Let's go. Breakfast is the meal of champions, and today I will be making some buttermilk eggnog waffles. Yes. So I got my waffle mix that is already mixed, the store-bought one, and I'll be using a little Turkey Hill eggnog to make a quick breakfast. It's been a while I haven't made a breakfast video. I added a little cinnamon because I wanted to the already mixed waffle mix, and then I'll be using my eggnog to mix this. You can make this as thick or as watery as you want to your liking. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please remember to give your girl a like for this video. You too can try this out. It's a holiday season and we know you can make your own homemade eggnog, or you can purchase the eggnog in the store. You can use it to make a twist. So here I am trying this for the first time to make some eggnog waffles. You know your girl love to experiment. So stay with me on this journey. Alongside, I'll be serving this with some fruit, some eggs, and some bacon, turkey bacon that I added in my oven. So I got my little waffle griddle and I sprayed a little olive oil on it, and your girl will be adding in my waffle. Please remember to give the video a like. It is free, and your girl love to experiment. Experimenting is my name. I love to try and experiment and to do new things, to get new taste away from the regular. Tell your friends, tell your family to come subscribe and support Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. There it is. It is not very crispy, and I think it is due to the texture from the eggnog, but they tasted really good. Would I do this again? Yes, I would. It tasted really good. Breakfast is the meal of champions, and I decided to do a quick breakfast video served with a little scrambled eggs, some fruits, and some turkey bacon that I added to my oven. Thank you for stopping by. Stay tuned. I hope that you too love to experiment and can try this. And then I sprinkled a tiny hint of syrup on this just for flavor and taste on the waffle, but this tasted good. Stay tuned. Walk good. See you soon in another video. Bye.